Hi everyone. I have created a small application and integrated Amazon Bedrock AI model, one of the models or foundation model from Amazon Bedrock, and integrated into this application. And I'm going to show you how you can use it and integrate it on your application as a chatbot or whatever goal you have. Let me to share my screen and show you that how it works, and you can I push the code into GitHub and you can download it and use it. It is super easy. Let me to share my screen. This is the chat, and I titled that Amazon Bedrock chat interface, or whatever name you can put it, or as an AI chatbot, or whatever you want to name that. Like, for example, I would like to say hello, and then you will receive a response that how can I assist you? The answer is very short. It depends that which provider and which model you choose. Like, for example, if you have AWS account, you can come into the Bedrock. You can find the Bedrock, Amazon Bedrock service, and then you can come to the providers. So there are 8 providers for the time being. In the time that this video is recorded, so there are 8 providers which are being supported by Amazon Bedrock. Amazon itself, which has the model of called Titan, or some other models, Anthropic, Cohere, these are the companies, DeepSeek, the model Llama, Meta, models from the Meta. So it has 10 models. This one has 1 model. This has one model. 7 models from Stability. From Mistral, you can find 4 models. The one that I have chosen is from the Anthropic. You can click on the Anthropic provider, and then you can see all the models which are provided by Anthropic. So all of them are Claude with different versions of Claude, Claude Sonnet, Claude Sonnet V2, Claude Sonnet, Claude Haiku. It depends on you. You can see and check them that how it works. So purpose of this video is not to explain how Amazon Bedrock works and what options does it have, what functionalities does it have. The purpose of this video is to integrate a model from Amazon Bedrock into application, so that you can have a custom application, and later you can train based on your specific data as well, but I'm not going to teach them in this video. So the one that I've chosen is Claude Haiku. I think the one that this one is using is a little bit different. So when I say hello, it is just one line. Let me to check that if this is the one. You can click on this one, and if you scroll all the way down, you can see in the usage section, API request code. So you can see all the codes here. It is only supporting, this model is only supporting text, but some other videos, models are supporting image and also text, videos, the ones that you can see in the left side. But this one is supporting. The only thing which is really important for you to take that is model ID. So each model has its own unique ID. Like, for example, I'm taking this one, just copy only this section. The rest is almost the same for most of the models. Some little difference on between some models, but overall, this is the structure. I copied this one, and then I come here. So this is the structure of the file. This is the repository name that I've taken from GitHub. And let me to find the exact area which has the model ID. Let me to check where is that. Right here, this is the one. The one that I've copied, I'm going to paste it. If this is the same, you can choose any other model that you would like to have it. Then I'm going to paste that. That's a little bit different from the one that I have already. And then I'll go back to the chat and refresh it. And then I'll say hi again. And then you can see some a little bit different, answers for that. Now I'm going to say, I or teach me how to learn AWS um, step by step. So this is the prompt, and whenever you send the prompt, it depends on the speed of the model, that how long it takes to respond to that. But this one is taking a little bit longer time, but it is giving the answer to me. It is not, the answer is not in a good format. The reason is because it needs lots of work in order to format it better, like the public chat models that you can see, like ChatGPT. The format is clear. This is a very raw, a basic form of the design, so I can design it better, that whenever, like, for example, it found the numbers, so it should be in a very good format. Like, for example, step one, you can do these things, and step two, you can do these things till here. This is step three, and it shows you how you can learn AWS. I'm going to send another prompt, like, for example, um, what is Python programming? So this is a question. I'm going to send that. It takes a while. As I said, it depends on the speed and the performance of the AI model, but it gives you the answer. Okay. Now I'm going to um, walk you through the application structure. So this is my GitHub. You can find that. I'll put the link in the post in LinkedIn as well, but you can find that. Or before that, so this is I have put the link of my LinkedIn. If you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, you can click on this one, and you can open the LinkedIn. My profile here. This is my profile, and you can send me a request, and we can work them together. Okay. Uh, um, that was from the LinkedIn, and then let's come to the structure. So it has two folders. The one is the GS, so it contains the GS file. Another one is template, which is containing having the HTML file. Get ignored, just I put virtual environment folder here, and it has a readme file. The main file is app.py, and there is a requirements .txt. Whenever you're downloading that, just I'm going to pause that right now. So whenever you clone the repository, you can see that there is a chat.js. So in the chat.js, it take the prompt, and send it back to the API, and give the response, and send it back to the interface. There is another file, index.html. So this is the file which you can see it here, and it displays the interface to you. Like, for example, Amazon Bedrock interface. I'm going to put inside a bracket, like, for example, AI. This is AI chat. This is LinkedIn. I'm going to say that LinkedIn through file. Okay. The other file, this is VNV. Whenever you're downloading that, you do not have VNV because I have put that inside gitignore. It will not be in the GitHub. Whenever you download it, just create the VNV, like with a Python -m, and then VNV, and then whatever name you want to put it, give it to the VNV. Like, for example, I would like to give it ENV as well. I'm not going to enter that because I have already created VNV file. So once this is created, and then this is the main file. This is the file which is having the code from Amazon Bedrock, like this one, this is the code. I have put this code here, and a little bit changes, like for example, taking the prompt from the user. So this is the one, the important thing that you need to change is this one whenever you are selecting another model and model ID. Okay. The requirements, which does it have? These are, I mean, the tools and requirements, but important, the most important libraries are both of three here, Gender 2 for template, and then, of course, Python details and Flask. So this application is using Flask, which is a framework of Python, and you can use that whenever you're installing requirements with Python pip install -r and then requirement. It install all the requirements for you, but for the time being, I have already installed those things. So see, as I said, JSON is already in Python. You need to install both the three and also the Flask. These are already put in the requirements.txt, but it will install this as well, render template for templating request to connect with the it is used somewhere in the application, and also JSONify, which is another library. But all of them are just, you can find here, only can install that. For more work with the Amazon Bedrock on how to fine tune on how to build a custom, chat model to train on your specific data of the company, or your personal data, or the data which are not available on the public. Chatbots or models or AI models, you can train with them. Amazon Bedrock is a very perfect service of AWS. It is very good, specifically designed in order to work with the different providers. So these are the things. Recently, it integrated DeepSeek as well, which is really, really good and perfect. Okay, thank you so much.